너무 현실해. Good morning. We have Milo with us and we're on our way to go on a walk. I sound a little congested, but we're still gonna have a good day. We're gonna go for a walk. Watch out, Milo's out there.
Oh shit.
Well, a little bit.
He's gonna jump out the damn car.
Wait. No, he's good right now. Okay guys, so oh my god, I think he farted. Milo! He's terrible with car rides, guys. Okay guys, so we're at the park right now. We're at a little walkway path that we have Boo, and we're gonna take Milo for a walk. He came with us. We took him for a walk earlier and we were kind of like on the fence about taking him, but we decided to bring him so he can like get a little different scenery and stuff. So we're gonna show you guys our little path and everything, and yeah, so we'll see you later.
It's just this feeling and I'm letting go. Don't feel anger, don't feel rage. If there's an answer, it can't wait till another day. Don't regret making mistakes. There's no need, it's just a game. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway.
Go Papa, go, 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 go.
Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. End of the day, dreaming, you got me into go. Dreaming, you got me into go. Dreaming, it's just this feeling and I'm letting go. Don't feel anger, don't feel rage. If there's an answer, it can't wait till another day. Don't regret making mistakes. There's no need, it's just a game. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway.
So we're gonna try to let him go by himself. We've never done this, so hopefully he doesn't run away. But just in case, I have his little collar with my number on it. Even though he's so cute, I don't know if anyone would return him to us, but there's still good people out there, so maybe. Alright, I'm a little nervous, guys. But we are in like the wooded area, so hopefully he won't get too far. Go Milo, come on, let's explore. Come on, baby.
You got me into go, dreaming. It's just this feeling and I'm letting go.
Come here, Papa, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Woo! Go, 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 go.
You got me.
Someone's gonna take the only nap.
You got me into go, dreaming. You got me into go, dreaming.
I think that knocked him out.
And I'm letting go. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane.
The mosquitoes are attacking you.
Why?
Because you're ruining my nature, scenery, quietness. Ew! Enough of that. Come on, Mr. Miles. I am deceased. Shh. You feel the vibe check. Oh yeah. Come on, William, come on. Oh my gosh.
said you'd call me, wish you would. I've been feeling pretty empty without you tonight. Kinda lonely, kinda down. Just don't wanna stick around. Clear your schedule, let's find something else to do tonight. Oh, you've been running through my mind all day. Yeah, you give me everything you need. Oh, anytime you need me there, I'll stay. Promise it's just you and me. I miss you more than I thought I could, yeah. Somehow I still know that I would. I miss you more than I thought I should, yeah. Even though you told me I would. Oh, I've been riding in your dreaming, wishing you were with me. Girl, you look so pretty, but alone tonight. I miss having you around, staying late out on the town. Fly a couple miles, let's go home tonight. I miss you more than I thought I could, yeah. Somehow I still knew that I would.
Hey, lazy butt. Halfway through the walk, and he is tired. We've stuck in a little bit.
Going out tonight. I've been missing your smile. You should come and stay a while. Fly a couple miles, let's go out tonight. Oh, you've been running through my mind all day. Yeah, you give me everything you need. Oh, anytime.
So we're back home. We're about to eat some breakfast. We just have some of, is it Dave's Killer Bread?
Yeah.
Dave's Killer Bread and some eggs and turkey bacon and a little bit of the organic ketchup from Trader Joe's. And we're gonna eat this, then we have to fix my tire. And I think that's really it. Today is Friday, so we don't really have plans for today, but we're just gonna eat this right now. And we'll see you guys when we do something exciting.
Wish you would. I've been feeling pretty empty without you tonight. Kinda lonely, kinda down. Just don't wanna stick around. Clear your schedule, let's find something else to do tonight. Oh, you've been running through my mind all day.
Guys, so I'm just getting ready. I'm thinking about filming a reel for Instagram because, you know, I don't know, I've been doing like outfit inspo before I got sick. I was a little sick over the week, so I'm trying to like keep the same makeup, but it is like cracking in some places because I didn't set it as good or primed it as good. So we're gonna see how it turns out, and if it's gross, then I'm just gonna oh my god, I'm just going to just, if it's no good, I'm just gonna forget about it, and yeah, we'll just get dressed just to get dressed because I'm not going anywhere. I have no plans. Plus we're gonna get Jonah. He's actually going to after school because they had like a movie theater night on Fridays, so I want him to enjoy that and have fun. So he's going to that for a little bit. I'm just gonna leave him there for an hour, and then I'm gonna get him, and then yeah, we'll be back. We'll probably watch some Halloween movies. I'll convince Frank to watch some Halloween movies with me. And yeah, so let's just try to film this reel before it's too late and then see how it comes out. Okay, I still have the laundry on the bed. We're gonna put that away when we get back, but we gotta rush to get Jonah. So I just changed to this Target shirt, Primark jeans, and Forces. And I still have the glasses from earlier, and that's it. And these earrings are from Target. Okay, you guys, so now we have to hurry up and go get Jonah. And that is my outfit. Let's go.
So we're just waiting for Darcy. Where the f am I supposed to look over here? So we're just waiting for, oh my god, this thing is so loud. So just waiting for Darcy now. She went to go pick up Jonah. He's been waiting for us. He's probably gonna be real upset that we left him in there for so long. So we actually have to probably make up a lie saying that we were busy doing something, because if he knows we were just at home doing nothing, then he's gonna be real upset. So yeah, we'll see.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, we are.
Right now?
Yeah.
We're not even going home.
No, we're gonna pick up Jaden.
Okay, good. And the teacher called me handsome.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh shit, let me find out.
You are handsome. I missed you. Happy Friday. Woo! Okay guys, so I have a little package. I'm gonna do an unboxing. It's from Nespresso. Where else? That's all I ever order from. And I ordered this like, I want to say Wednesday night, and it came today, Friday afternoon. So I ordered my favorite coffee Nespresso espressos from there. I've only have like 2 favorites from there. I do like other stuff, but it's not like how I like these things. So I'm just gonna show you the kind that I get and hopefully put you on to something. But this is the iced Ligerio. I got 2 of these because these are my all-time favorite. Franklin, do not touch. Thank you.
I like those though.
Too bad.
Just kidding. To me, honestly, I don't taste the difference between any of them. But
Anyways, negative energy. They gave me. Why is it 2 different packaging?
the one's Bianco Ligerio and the other one's dark Ligerio.
So it's the same coffee, but it's different packaging. It's the Bianco Ligerio. So this one is the Ice Ligerio, and this one is Bianco Ligerio. I'm probably butchering the name. We love that. Anyways, so my second favorite, which they're both like my favorite. I love iced coffee lately. I haven't been drinking hot coffee, but yesterday I had some hot coffee in my little Ghost. So cute. I think this was like $5 in Target. But yeah, so I got these 2. And I also wanted to try this new espresso that they got. It's the Orafio. I think I butchered all the names, but let me see if it focuses, because my G7X is caca. So I would like that one. That one is single. These are double espressos, which are way better because I don't have to use more than one pod.
Right.
But yeah, I don't know what level this is, but you can go on the website. They have all like the notes and everything. So that is it. And then they also send you a free one, a free little
sample.
That one, a free little sample, just so you can know.
You try new flavors.
Just so you can try new flavors. That's why we love
That's
Frank on the channel. And yeah, they gave me 2. They gave me the. I just picked the Bianco Ligerio and the Bianco Forte because I do like those 2 flavors. So yep. That is pretty much it for today. That was my Friday and a whole little what I do in a day. So hopefully you guys like this. I haven't done one of these in so long.
Today nothing too much is going on. You know, usually we're out in the city or partying, doing something crazy, but you know, we figured we'd just be good parents, stay home with the kids today.
Frank,
sleepover.
When have we been in the city? It's been like 50 years since we've been in the city.
Guys, listen, New York is crazy, bro. You can't be out in this city, man. I'm trying to live past 20. How old am I? 27. I don't know the fuck how old I am.
No,
you get past
27.
Yes, I am. I'm busy 28.
You're 28.
No, the fuck I'm not. Am I? No. I'm gonna be 28 in January.
No, the fuck I'm not.
Once you get like 25, it's like everything's 30 already, so it doesn't matter.
I'm not. That's not a lie, because I feel like I was 25 last week, and now I'm gonna be 27.
You're 26?
How do you even know I own age? Alright guys, so this is enough crackhead energy. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully it's a little haul. Probably not. I think I filmed a Primark haul. So
Facts.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of my crazy life. We had more of a calm day. I loved the whole nature. I told Frank we definitely have to do that more. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family. I know I haven't been on here, but I am gonna be popping up way more. So I'll see you guys in the next